Someone coughed in my hallway. I was brushing my teeth when I heard it. A cough, not loud, not dramatic, just a normal human cough. From my hallway, I froze with the tap still running. I live alone. The sound was not from outside, not from upstairs. It was inside my flat, right outside the bathroom. I stood there, trying to convince myself it was the pipes, but pipes do not clear their throat. After a few seconds, I turned the tap off. The flat went completely quiet. I listened. Nothing. I opened the bathroom door slowly. The hallway was empty. Every light was off. I walked into the kitchen. Nothing. Checked the front door. Locked. Chain still on. I went back toward my bedroom. That is when I noticed something. My bedroom door was not how I left it. It was slightly open, just enough, like someone had stepped out. I did not hear the door open.